Instead of buying a new shirt like Amazon just suggested to me that I do, revisiting an old shopping cart edition from last summer, I decided it would be a better use of my time to go through all of my existing shirts and see what I might donate to the fire victims in Los Angeles, being down here in San Diego. That being said, I also need to be mindful of the fact that we could catch fire any second as well. There's a new Santa Ana high wind warning. We have a high pressure system that circles clockwise, thereby, because of where it's placed, blows desert air, catches the desert air and blows it over the mountains. And when that air flows down the mountains, it speeds up and heats up, and it's already hot. So we have this hot, arid air drying out our fuel, and it's been the driest rainy season here in something like 150 years. That's crazy. We are extra flammable, so we need to be careful. One of my hobbies of late is t-shirt, shirt alignment. My matching skills come from living with women. It is a t-shirt, not an undershirt. And the way we know that is because it has a pocket. So it's my hidden pocket. My outer shirt also has a pocket. So I'm double pocketed today. How about that? Hardaddy. Yes, at one point in time before I came to my senses, I was thinking about participating in farmers markets. I was contemplating what I needed and wanted to sell. I was thinking about maybe selling shirts wholesale, and I inquired to Hardaddy, among others, only to have them, thankfully before I bought any product, drop the price out of their product and put it on sale at like $3 to $5 a shirt. I wouldn't be able to compete with that, so I opted not to do it. That's what has landed me here on YouTube, endeavoring to market digital product. And because I'm a Sigma contrarian by nature, I'm off to celebrate Taco Monday, and tomorrow I'll enjoy Cyber Tuesday. So I've learned not to video myself vertically because I don't like it, for one thing. Shorts don't pay, really. I mean, they're good for funnels, as I hear, so maybe I'll do a quick little funnel. Okay, here's my quick little shorts funnel. Be sure and tune in and see my full-length video. I need to get some hooks in here. So there's an oral hook, I need a visual hook, and I need a verbal hook. You know what I could say to have a verbal hook? Verbs. I think I'm headed to one of my favorite restaurants for a turmeric coffee. Okay, I guess as long as I'm here, I'll give you a little tour of this part of the city that I'm in at the moment. I am headed to one of my favorite parking lots just because it's sunny and beautiful. Ooh, nice artwork. Okay. It's a beautiful day in San Diego. Sure is. Pretty amazing. Man, look at this. This almost should be illegal. Uh-oh, I think that may be illegal. This maybe it's a maintenance thing, but I don't know, whatever. Either this or that would be kind of cool. It sort of looks like a house, huh? That kind of looks like a restaurant. I think that's got the most depth, but that's got Steph. Guess I'm gonna try that. Espresso, maple, turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, wow. Cardamom, vanilla, and oat milk. It's got it all going on, sure does. $7.75, yeah. Before I get any further, let me video the initial sip. Perfect. Yes, compliments to the chef. Okay, let's see how that plays. That does have the depth we were looking for. Yeah, I think that's gonna fly just fine. I can put myself on the edge and get the restroom exit, and it's all good. Okay, all right. Now you know where we are. Okay, and now for the quick shutter test. Yes, it is my selfie stick, which doubles as a tripod, which I really like. How about that? Pretty cool. With a different top that I put on there. I'll put links in the description, you know that. So, okay, bon appetit. My mission today is the learning of the Canva.
Website to upload the page on any free Canva domain as .my.canva.site.
One thing I am reminded of regarding personality is that humility, accessibility, and approachability are where it's at when it comes to people enjoying talking to you, communicating with you. I mean, I understand why people would want to appear to be aloof. I can't say that I enjoy it, but I understand it and I forgive them for it, I guess is what I do. Question is, am I able to remain humble? Hopefully I am. Hopefully you forgive me for my lack of humility when it rears its ugly head. So, talk to you soon. Okay, now, courtesy of Rosa and Steph and everybody, so I can eat while I work. It is a happy Monday indeed.